as you see right here. A little bit tricky to see from the angle of the instructions, but eventually you should be able to get this. And then there's one more part, which is this bit here, which will then go on there and screw into position, finishing off this part of the suspension system. And again, you have to make sure that that part is done correctly, because otherwise the oil will jump out of the system. There we have it. There we have it. There is a cap for this. There is a little thing here like this to stop the oil from leaking. And see how many bits go into this process? All right, so you have one of these bits that goes on top there to close it.
Likey